What is my advice if you want to be a data analyst? So number one, you have to learn the skills. Getting a degree in statistics is a great start. You can also learn statistics online through sites like Khan Academy or StatQuest on YouTube. But I also recommend making sure that you know SQL, because the vast majority of jobs touching data require that you know how to use SQL and might include a SQL test during the interview. So if you can't pass that, you can't get a job in a lot of cases. I would also recommend learning a data visualization tool like Tableau or Power BI, because those are used in lots of jobs. Beyond the skills, I recommend networking. This is very helpful because you can start to learn all the different types of jobs that are available in data analytics. You can learn, what do you do in different types of jobs, what types of companies and industries are hiring. This can also help you get referrals to jobs and things like that. And then you can also learn, how do companies actually use data to solve problems? Because this is really important for you to understand. As a data analyst, this is something that they're going to try to test you on in interviews to make sure you can actually think through how to solve a problem with data, how to answer a relevant business question with data. And so getting to know people who work in these roles and how they do that can help give you information you can use in interviews. And I'd also recommend kind of just practicing your problem solving skills by doing your own projects. There's no secret project that's going to get you noticed or land you a job. I recommend thinking about how you can use data in your own life to solve your own problems. So maybe that's creating a budget through a spreadsheet and making it interactive and using it to forecast how much money you're going to spend or how much you'll have left in your budget, or using data to create your own grocery app or just script or something like that. Or if you're really into fitness, you can get a lot of data from your smartwatch, or you can track a lot of data that way and learn how are you improving. Or even just your job search, you can track a lot of data around your job search and kind of use that to learn as well. So start thinking about, how can I use data to solve my own problems, and do your own projects. And then, in the short term, you get a useful project for yourself, but in the long term, you'll get something you can talk about in interviews when they ask, how have you solved problems with data? So I hope that helps. I also have a lot more advice on my blog and in my newsletter, so check those out as well. So my cat jumped into my lap while I was making this video, so she wants to say hi. Or not. Never mind.